What's going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning back in. Quick video. Today is July 19th, 2:59 p.m. In this video, I was able to rob some parts off a spare unit to replace a capacitor that was pregnant. And we're replacing the 4-ton unit in about 2 weeks with a Concord. And so I was able to spare this guy some extra cost by replacing some parts from another unit. So, customer states the motor was making noise. Noticed the capacitor was pregnant. We're replacing this 4-ton because the compressor is bad. So I pulled this old TitanPro off that I put in several years ago. So this one's a 35.5. This is a 40/5. So my customer booked online, told me his fan's all loud, so I ordered a new fan, blade, everything. So I wasn't sure what I was going to get into, but ended up being just a capacitor. Like I said, we're replacing that 4-ton unit with another 4-ton Concord in a few weeks, so I just was able to rob parts. Smash that thumbs up button.